Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have another shoe unboxing for you today. This one is from Nike. It is Nike Air Force 107 Premium Vintage. Last time I bought a pair of their boots and I thought this time I would try their sneakers. Looks like it's going to be easy to open this box. It seems that if you don't like it or if the size isn't correct, you can just use the same box to return. It has this adhesive tape on the box if you need to return it. Take the shoe box out. That's what it says on the box, Nike Air Force 1. A very simple, straightforward black color shoe box. Nothing too fancy. This is how it looks, open it up. Nicely wrapped in paper. Let's take a closer look. On the side, they have this Nike logo on both sides. At the back, it has the standard Nike Air logo. The outsole has this kind of a creamy vintage color. Not a pure white, so it doesn't look so bad if it gets dirty, which is great because sometimes white shoes can look nasty. Not sure if it's just me, but I'm not too into these light color contrasting shoelaces. Luckily, they do give you a standard brown color one, so if you don't like this color, you can definitely replace it with the standard brown color. After loosening the shoelace, the shoe tongue is kind of in this puffy quilted material. Probably make it more comfortable when you wear the shoes. So before I purchased this pair of Air Force 1, a lot of people mentioning about how easy to crease the shoes, and when I look at this pair of Air Force 1, it seems the leather they use is some kind of tumble pebble leather, hopefully with kind of a softer pebble leather texture. It won't crease as bad as other white color sneakers they have. I know some of the Air Force 1 came with this faux leather lining, but this one is a fabric lining. I think this is probably better in terms of breathability. So this is how they look together, and thanks for joining me today for this quick unboxing. And after wearing this for a period of time, I will do a follow-up review. If you'd like to watch a review of this pair of Air Force 1, let me know and hopefully I'll get to it soon. And I'll talk to you again next time. Bye!